สวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีครับ
ยินดีต้อนรับนะคะ ECFM 105.5 วันนี้เจเจอยู่กับจายเวทฟอร์ดค่ะสนมากเลยเด็กคนนี้ Do you know that your name, Jai, in Thai it has this ring sound to it that means, I'm sure people told you, heart.
Oh really?
Yes ใช่ไหมคะชื่อเขาแปลว่าใจเนาะแปลว่าหัวใจ
Wow.
Yeah, it's a nice name.
nice.
That's why we're so familiar with you so fast.
you.
Your name is really
Jai.
beautiful. Jai means heart.
Heart. Wow, that's beautiful.
All right, we're going to play some games today,
Okay.
right?
Alright.
We know you can sing. We know you make music. You can write music. We know you play the guitar, but can you dance? Can you dance? Yeah.
Not by myself.
So, all right เดี๋ยวจะให้เขาเล่นเกมกับเราหน่อยนะคะสนุกโดยการให้เขา cover เพลง You've covered songs before, but have you covered dance?
No.
No? Okay.
I'm ready though. Ooh, some Beyonce.
Yeah. Okay.
We got some Beyonce up in this.
Are you ready? Are you guys ready?
You guys ready?
Are you guys ready? Let's see if you got the moves.
Wait, do I have to wear the same clothes?
What, you want to? You want to wear the same clothes as Beyonce?
What's this guy's name again?
Sai. You can dance. Well, this next one.
Alright, let's get this good part of this. No, I know.
กระดาษไปไหนล่ะ You've got the hips. There you go. มีใครจะมาช่วยไหมคะ
Wait.
Not bad.
If you like it, you should put a ring on it. Ooh, what's this one? I'm scared. I haven't seen this one.
Yeah. This is a Thai song. This is a famous dance, by the way.
We got it. Ready?
มีอีกไหมคะ Okay, well, those are the
Was that it?
pre-requested songs. Yes.
Right.
Now we know you've got the move. So without the guitar, maybe you can do a dance tune in the future.
Like, living our dreaming. Dun, 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 dun,
ไม่จบมันน่าจะได้อีกสักเพลงไหมคะ Alright, I'm going to play another game here.
Okay.
I'm going to put up a card.
Yes.
And I'm gonna guess what it is. You're gonna have to tell me.
So like-
You can
like,
vocalize
like
it.
charades?
Yeah, like charade.
Okay.
But you can vocalize it. You can act it out if you want.
Okay.
All right.
Are the words in English?
Yes.
Oh, they're photos.
Yes.
Okay, I got it. Ready? Mm-hmm. 3, 2, 1. 2 words.
Okay.
Okay.
Salute. Superheroes.
Yes.
Oh, Captain America.
Boom.
Yes.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah. Old man. What is it? A thing? An action?
One word.
It's one word. Orangutan.
Close.
Okay. You can vocalize it. Well, you're shaking. It's going slow. It's going slow.
Very slow. Very-
Sloth.
Yes.
Oh. Whoa! I think. Okay.
That's how he opens his show.
Michael Jackson.
Yes.
Should have touched your crotch. It would have been easier. Soup, noodle, tom yum goong.
Too close.
Yeah?
It's the first is a man's name. It's a man's name. On the start of it's in a bowl. It's a liquid and you eat it.
Type of soup.
Yes.
So-
Oh no, you said it. Tom Yum Goong.
Did I? I said
Yes.
tom yum.
This one's gonna be really hard.
Okay.
You can see it. You
That's why I'm
can't-
not looking. What is it?
I don't know. This one's not very important. The other ones are really special. I feel like this one doesn't really have much meaning.
No meaning.
Yeah, it's
Is it a thing, a person, a
it's a
movie?
thing. I don't know if you can consider it a person.
It's a thing. Okay.
thing, yeah.
Is it a toilet?
It's like a type of animal.
A type of
Type of animal.
A type of animal, a monkey,
Close.
gorilla,
I heard he was descended from them. He was
a man, a
He
man.
isn't- sometimes a bit of a woman. It's I'm just gonna have to tell you because you have no clue who he is. It's Jai Waitford.
Who is he? You could have just said super awesome, super handsome, from Australia.
That would have been so classical, you know? Like, you would have known.
That's very good. Great game, great game, great game.
Yo.
For the show tonight,
Yes.
we're going to be at Groove at Central World.
Yeah.
What have you prepared for us?
A really chilled out acoustic set. Playing some new songs, playing some covers, playing some old songs.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
it's cool. It's super relaxed, super in the moment.
โอเค คืนนี้นะคะที่ Groove at Central World ก็จะแบบเป็นสไตล์แบบอะคูสติกเล่น cover บ้างเล่นเพลงของเขาบ้างนะคะแล้วก็ I heard that you're going to be your CDs will be on sale tonight
They will be.
and those who purchase your CD will you give them autograph and a photo
I will give them autograph.
โอเคนะคะคืนนี้ขายเป็นครั้งแรกนะคะที่ Groove Central World ไปหาซื้อได้แล้วก็มีลายเซ็นพร้อมให้ด้วย Anything you would like to say to your Thai fans and those who are waiting for you tonight
Thank you guys so much for the support. I'm excited. Tonight is actually going to be my last show of this promo tour. I've been on the road for 5 weeks and
Wow.
tonight is the last show. So I'm excited. Thank you guys. And I love you.
ขอบคุณมากค่ะ Thank you Jai ขอบคุณค่ะ